Welcome to our lesson on creating an effective value roadmap. In this session, we will explore essential strategies to enhance value delivery in Agile Project Management. A value roadmap is a strategic tool that outlines how to deliver value over time. It aligns project goals with customer needs, helping teams prioritize their work effectively. Key components of a value roadmap include a clear vision and specific goals. The vision articulates desired outcomes, while goals provide measurable directions for the team. Mapping value delivery involves identifying milestones and incorporating feedback loops. Milestones mark significant achievements, while feedback loops ensure continuous alignment with customer needs. Prioritizing features is crucial for effective value delivery. Evaluate features based on their value and effort, and incorporate customer feedback to refine priorities. Remember, a value roadmap is a living document that evolves with the project. It should be updated regularly to reflect changes and new insights. Let's take a look at real-world examples of effective value roadmaps. Observing how others implement these strategies can provide valuable insights for your projects. Common pitfalls in creating a value roadmap include a lack of clarity and ignoring feedback. Ensure your goals are clear and always listen to your customers to stay on track. Using the right tools can enhance your value roadmapping process. Software tools for visualization and templates can help create clear and structured roadmaps. Engaging stakeholders is crucial for a successful value roadmap. Involve them in the creation process and provide regular updates to foster collaboration and ensure alignment. Measuring success is vital for any value roadmap. Define key performance indicators and conduct regular reviews to assess progress and make necessary adjustments. A successful value roadmap is a collaborative effort that evolves over time. Keep this in mind as you develop your own roadmap to ensure its effectiveness. As we conclude this lesson, remember the importance of an effective value roadmap. It is essential for driving value in Agile project management and ensuring successful outcomes. Now it's time to apply your knowledge. Start creating your own value roadmap and share it with stakeholders to gather feedback for improvement. To expand your knowledge, explore recommended readings on Agile methodologies and consider enrolling in additional courses. These resources will provide deeper insights into effective value delivery. Thank you for joining this lesson on creating an effective value roadmap. We hope you found it informative and valuable for your Agile journey.